everyone and welcome back to Simple Create. Today we will be learning how to add two numbers in Python. So in the previous video we have already seen how to assign a value to a variable. So let's say A is 5 and I take B as 10. There is even a shortcut to write these two lines together. Okay, and the smart way to do that is you can directly write A, comma B equals to 5, 10. What happens over here is if you want to initialize two variables together, so the 5 will go to A and the 10 will go to B. Okay, so yeah, you can opt for any of the two options. Okay, so this is option 1, this is option 2. So we have initialized the variables, right? Now we need to add them. So let's take another variable C. And we are going to store the addition of A and B. So it is A plus. Now what happens in the memory? There are three memory locations. Okay. A, B, C. So what's the value of A? A is 5. B is 10. And if we add 5 and 10, what do we get? 15. So that value is going to be stored in C. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So you can not only add two values, you can even add more than that. Okay, as many as you want. So that is how you perform addition in Python. Thank you so much for watching. Support my channel and let's meet in the next video.